So this is how my table looks like now. I have written down the list of things which I wish to do on Sunday. So I have finally started cleaning my table in the first week of the new year, and this is the last year's calendar. And I just realized that I did see these Ghibli Studio stickers with this, which is going to use in the album later. I will be using it, and then there is a beautiful message from the brand, seriously branded, about it doesn't contain important dates or anything, and you can just use those to cut out and put it on the wall. So this is how I have done actually. That calendar that doesn't give you detail about important days, but more of your own. You can write your own life with the dates and not restrict yourself to some important dates. So this is how it looks on the wall. Now it is Sunday 4:40 p.m. and I'm going to arrange my table, which I have cleaned just now. So as you can see, it was filled with cobwebs and everything. I have removed it and I have just cleaned the table, and I have also cleaned it. These are my miniature collections of gods from different parts of the country, which I will tell you later. So let's start organizing. So the first one that comes is this calendar, and then there is my pen stand. So this is from Rameshwaram, and it is made up of seashell, and so is this pen, as you can see. And I have put my own refill into this by cutting it a bit smaller. Then I'm going to keep my mirror here. So I've just cleaned it. So these are the two boxes which have many things like stationery, then miniature items, and embroidery needles, coin. This has money, and this has keychain, which I'm unable to take out right now. So I bought it from an online Instagram page which is based in Jaipur. So this is how it looks, and I cleaned it as well. And let's assemble our god list. So first I'm going to keep this one, which I have bought it from Badrinath, which I went in the year 2023. And then here is Kedarnath, and this is also from Chardham Yatra, which is Vishnu Lakshmi. Then I have this Shivji idol from Nanjangud in Karnataka. The same Badrinath, but a smaller version. Then this is a Shiva idol, which was given to me by my college friend. And then we have this Lakshmi. Then we have Saraswati. Then we have this Vishnu and Lakshmi in a different form. So I'm going to keep it over here. So yeah, this is how it looks now. So let me put my laptop and the mat for it. So this is the mat I got from Legrand as a gift. I know it is a bit dirty, but I have cleaned it with wet water. So I'm going to look over YouTube to check how to clean these mats. And now I'm going to place my laptop on this. So this is Dell laptop, and then I'm going to place my craft cutting mat over here. So here it is. I have bought it from Jack's Art and Craft. So this is how my setup looks as of now. I'm going to place a few more things, which is this cute mama and cub bear, which I bought many years back from an online store which is based in Madhya Pradesh that makes Indian toys. So I'm going to keep it over here. Then I have this Ganesha idol which I bought in Rameshwaram for 30 rupees. It's made up of shell, completely of shell. I'm going to keep it over here. Then I have this my notepad where I have noted down what all things I have to do to keep it here. And here I'm going to keep my mobile stand. So this is how my table finally looks, and I am so happy that it is clean and I can keep my things properly. Bye. So I have done most of the things which I have written, like taking rest, cleaning the comb, and listening to the music, cleaning the dining table, using the pesticide for the home, and some of the things are left. And it is 5:50 p.m. So I can say that it was quite a productive Sunday for me, and I feel happy.